Once you've decided on exactly what you want to accomplish with your kitchen renovation, it's time to move to step 3, and that's finding the right designer to put it all out on paper and provide the set of drawings you'll need to go to step 4, which is finding, hiring, and managing the contractor that's going to put it all together.
It's really important that you start from the ground up with a remodel or a new kitchen design, that every aspect of the design is approached in a methodical way, that there's a process that you go to that makes a kitchen evolve. So we try to lead the homeowner in a way that we get their input, their design ideas, we select their appliances, we have them choose finishes and door styles, things that they know are appealing to them before we ever put the computer process in motion. So that way they are very clear on they're happy with the direction you're moving in, even though it's an evolution of the design process.
Good communication with a designer is almost as important as the quality of their technical skills, and the same is true for the person who carries out the design. A good remodeling contractor should be licensed to work in your area, have good referrals, and a history of doing good quality work. But you also want to know how well they communicate with their customers. The main thing is to choose a contractor you feel comfortable with, one that you can really communicate with throughout the process. You know, it's not a magical process. Almost any home improvement projects will have a few snags here and there, so you want a contractor that can work together with you on solving these little problems.